Hi, I'm Simon from Motodrome, and this is our 1949 Ford Prefect E493A. Hope you like it. Okay, let's just take a walk around this 1949 Ford Prefect E493A. We've just taken this in part exchange, and it's really rather splendid. As you can see, it's got modern indicators on it that have been discreetly fitted, rather than the original trafficators. They are still there, but they seem to have been disconnected. But the indicators are all working as they should. It's also got a nice set of driving lights on the front of it, which do work. There's a switch inside for those. A super little car, really is. Right, let's try and pick out some good bits and bad bits. I'm not going to find many bad bits. The chrome around the front end is excellent. Paintwork wise, I would imagine it has been repainted at some point in its life. Whether that was part of the restoration or whether that was just the underside, I'd have to check. But the paint is nicely patinated, shall we say. Doesn't look particularly fresh. Could pass for the original paint. We'll have to have a look. But looking down the side, it looks beautifully straight and tidy down there. A few blemishes on it here and there, which makes me think that it's possibly largely original. A couple of blemishes up here and a few on the bonnet. Chips and stuff. We've got the windscreen open at the minute, as you can see. And it's quite a nice touch. It's got a 1949 tax disc in there. Roof is all nice. That isn't a sunroof, incidentally. Cars of this age had a fabric centre panel in the roof, but it doesn't open. Wheels and tyres are all good. Bit of bubbling down there, and just a little bit along the base of the passenger door there. Again, which makes me think it's there's a high level of originality to it. Door card is all nice. Sorry, I haven't vacuumed it out yet, so it's a few marks and stuff inside. Dash is all good. Headlining's very nice. Seats are in excellent shape. It has apparently the optional leather. Quite what it would have had instead of leather if you didn't go tick the options box, I don't know, but this one has, let's say, optional leather. Carpets look probably not the originals, but probably not 1949 either. You never know. Near side rear door, so the panel fit is very good. In the back there, it's all good. See, there's a cloth down under the seat we need to get rid of. As I say, apologies, I haven't vacuumed it out yet. I just thought while it wasn't raining, I'll get it out and video it. Near side rear wheel is all nice. Around the back end here, it's all pretty good. So the chrome is excellent on it. That's just a leaf. A few little marks around the boot lid handle, and a couple down here. Looking down the offside, very, very straight down there. Once again, panel fit superb. Just a piece of dirt. Looks pretty good there. What's that there? Very, very tiny scuff just on the offside rear wing just there. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, leather's very good. Incidentally, it's showing 69, well, it's just over 69,000 miles, so we'll say it's done 69,900. That's quite likely to be correct, I would have thought. Door cards are all very nice. Yeah, that's the original semaphore trafficators there. All good there. We've got that little vent open, and as I say, the screen is open at the moment. Offside front wing is all good, and then we'll show you in here. As I say, very straightforward dash on it. just all looking pretty nice. The driver's kick panel is slightly worn, and you can see it down there in the corner. It's probably the original one, but that's about it really. I love it. It's obviously been very heavily wax oiled as well. If you look inside the boot and stuff, and up here there's wax oiling everywhere on it. But yeah, super little car, really is. Anyway, my name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.